Magical word scripting. Manifest faster. Hi, I'm Rachel Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We're talking about scripting. Now, not just any scripting like you might see on other YouTube channels, but magical word scripting. Now, magical word scripting is a very special kind of scripting that will allow you to manifest your dreams faster, quicker, and easier. And as you use this scripting technique, you will actually be able to see everything you write out come to life and play out right before your eyes. You're going to be the star of your own show. So what is basic scripting? Now, basic scripting is taking a special notebook or a journal and physically writing out as a movie, scene by scene, how your goals and your dreams will manifest. Now, the concept of writing is very important. We live in a world that's so technology-based and you're all like this all day long. Get out of that. Let's manifest physically. So you write down, and there's this special energy, this special connection that happens between your head and your hand as you write down. And then not only do you physically feel yourself manifesting through the words you write, but as you write them, you see them, you're looking at them. So scripting is you take your goal, whatever your goal may be, whether it's a new car, a new job, a new home, a better relationship, and you write out everything you want to see happen. So let's take, for example, scripting for a new car with a magical word. So you're going to take your nice notebook and you're going to figure out what's your magical word for your overall manifestation is going to be. Now, for a new car, your magical word might be wheels. So you're going to write at the top, before you start this scripting process, your word. And your word is, for this example, wheels. So you're going to take your journal with your magical word, whether it's wheels or love or money, success, whatever your word is, whatever you decide that special word is that encapsulates everything you're trying to manifest. And you're going to see it, and you're going to write it down and write it really big to imprint it into your heart, into your mind, into your subconscious. Now, under that word, you're going to start the scripting process. Now, the scripting process is one where you write out scene by scene what you're going to manifest. You include details like color and time and feelings, excitement, emotions. And that's part of the key to the success of this word scripting, is feeling it emotionally, seeing the colors, writing it out so you get that transfer of energy through the physical practice of writing, plus getting it into your subconscious mind. Now, as you write out scene by scene how you're going to manifest. Now, for example, with the new car, you might say, I feel myself driving my old clunker when the window won't roll down, it gets stuck halfway, and the AC doesn't work, and I am just sweaty and nasty in the summertime in this car, and I hate it so much. But I'm driving to that dealership, and I'm starting to feel excited. I'm feeling excited that I am going to be in a new, brand new, shiny vehicle where the AC works, where the windows roll down, where I can go cruising all summer long and have the best summer of my life in this new car. So that's the start. You're on your way to the dealership. Now you're going to pause in your writing and write real big that magical word again, wheels. And then you're going to continue. I arrive at the dealership. I am greeted by a wonderful gentleman that can tell me all the differences between the packages on the car, which one has the most features and the benefits of these features, and how I'm going to upgrade my entire life. So you continue that way. And each time you stop with a scene, you're going to write your magical word. Now, when you finish writing down all your hopes, your dreams, your feelings, your emotions, the colors, take a moment and just close your eyes and see you in your new car, your new relationship, your new career, whatever it may be. Now, just as you closed your eyes and you felt that, now you have this all written down, and every day you're going to take it and you're going to read your story. And each time you come to that magical word, imprint it into your subconscious mind. Say it 3 times when you read through your script daily. Now, pretty soon, you're going to start to see, wow, I actually got a chance to go to the dealership. Wow, a nice gentleman did come out and greet me. And every time something in the physical happens that you've already written down, because that's how the law of attraction works, what you think about, you bring about. And you're bringing about this through your thoughts and your actions and through this magical word scripting technique. So it happens in reality. You're going to say your magical word. You're going to say wheels. You're going to feel everything that you wrote down just by saying that one word, wheels, because you've written it so many times through each scene, each paragraph, each little change of direction in your movie. So expect your script to manifest. Expect your magical word in your script to start coming to life in your everyday activities. And every time you do it, remember it, say it, think it, feel it, emotionalize it, bring it to life. The more life you bring into it, the faster it manifests. Now, it's possible the more you read through your script and the more you do this exercise, the more you'll get excited about it and the more you'll want to add details. So don't be afraid to add extra paragraphs and keep that word, that magical word you created, in between those sentences, in between those paragraphs, in between your goals, your dreams, your everyday reality. Keep that word at the front of your mind. Wheels, wheels. And you will be absolutely amazed at how fast you manifest through magical word scripting. So we'd love to hear your feedback. So share your magical word scripting story right here down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any law of attraction tips that'll get you manifesting quick, fast, and easy. Remember, you're always attracting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful. Have a great day. You deserve it.